What I liked best about the IB curriculum was that it's very diverse. So it's not pure academics. There are many other things to do apart from your typical sciences, which was like CAS, extended SAT. Okay, so when you have such a holistic curriculum, it's really beneficial for you both as a student and as a young adult who will be going into university soon. When I chose the decision to be a doctor, it was more about the UKCAT, BMAT, the admissions test that you need to give. So yes, it's very stressful when you're applying overseas plus managing IB, but in the end, if you have your teacher support, your family and friends support, it all works. I've shortlisted Cardiff University School of Medicine, which is in the UK. It's the capital city of Wales. So I'll be going there for medicine. So during my internal assessments, I was focusing on an experiment which compared a medicinal drug with a grapeseed extract. So it was something medical versus something natural, and I was talking about how both of these can be useful in treating diabetes. To do such a research paper, you would really need advice from your teacher. So Sita ma'am helped me a lot in narrowing down topics and then finding out this topic because I was really interested in it. So sometimes I would fail. I would have to come to school on a Saturday to finish off everything. But then finally, with her moral support plus her academic knowledge, really good academic knowledge, I was able to come up with a really good experiment. So that was one of my good memories. GIIS has done a lot in terms of extracurriculars as well because I dance a lot, I play basketball, I was head girl at school, and then I did 5-6 attachments in Singapore. So everything was really good. For juniors, I think just work hard. I know that there's a lot to do, but you really need to balance your time. You want to do a lot of things in IB. You have CAS, you have POK, extended essay, some topics which are so abstract to you. But in the end, it's more about, listening to yourself, doing things which really interest you. For example, the research papers in science. So it's more about generating personal interest in the work you do because IB is very intensive. So unless until you're not interested in the work you do, you will not be happy with what you get in the end. So I think an advice would be that be happy with what you're doing.